You search for how to buy shares of Indivior PLC, and this video will show the basic steps to find INDV. Indivior is a pharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ as INDV, and this guide is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will usually need to verify your account with an ID and add funds to be able to place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker INDV to find Indivior PLC. Make sure you select the correct listing that matches the NASDAQ ticker INDV. Open the company page to review basic information and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to ensure it is the right stock before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it from there. For convenience, the broker link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.